Good morning to one and all. In this video I am going to discuss with you concept 1.3 objective questions mains. So in this first question we have which of the following is not a perfect square. So we know that is if the number ends with 2, 3, 7, 8. If the number ends with 2, 3, 7, 8, it's never be a perfect square. See, if the number is ends with 4, it may be a perfect square. If the number is ends with 6, it may be a perfect square. So if the number is ending with 2, so it is not a perfect square. Here it is ending with 6, it may be a perfect square. So which of the following is not a perfect square? This 23,832 is not a perfect square. Okay. Second question. Now second question we have, if the units digit of a perfect square is 4, units digit of a perfect square numbers. So you can take 64 and 144. Okay. So these are the numbers perfect square which are ends with 4. Okay. And then its units digit of its square root can be, okay, units digit of square root. So square root of 64 is 8. The square root of 144 is 12. Here units digit is 2. Here units digit is 8. Here units digit is 2. So it may be 2. It may be 8. Okay. Which is the correct option for that? Option 3 is the correct option for that. Either 1 or 2. Either 1 or 2. Next. An odd number when multiplied by itself gives 2400. Then the number is. So the odd number is multiplied by itself. That is nothing but we don't know that number. You can consider x. So let the number be x. Let the number be x. Okay. This number is multiplied with this number only. So x into x equal to 2401. So x square equal to 2401. Then x equal to square root of 2401. It is nothing but x is equal to square root of 2401 is 49. So which is the correct option for that? Option 3 is the correct option. Next, question number 4. Okay. So the smallest number which must be added to 3900 to get a perfect square. The smallest number which must be added to 3900. Addition case this is. So when we are addition case, when we are doing addition case sum, we should do the, which method we have to use here? Division method. So 3900 and the division method. Here, so nearest square is 36. So 6 are 36 and 300. So now add 6 here, it becomes 12. So 123 into 3, so it becomes 369. So it becomes, if you subtract, so 369 minus 369 we will get. This minus this we need to do. So if you add 69 to the 3900, it becomes a perfect square. What is the number we obtained? 69. Okay. So here option 3 is the correct option. Next, question number 5. The product of two equal numbers is 1444. Then the numbers are the product of two equal numbers. So same process. Let the number be x. Let the number be, you can consider x. Okay. Product of the same numbers. So that means x into x equal to 1444. So x square equal to 1444. Then x is equal to square root of 1444. So that is 1444 is nothing but a you can use the long division method or any one method. So nearest square is 9. 3 3s are 9. And here 5, 4, 4. Next here 6. 69 9s are. So you can take 69. No. 68 8s are you can take. 8 8s are 64. 1 carry. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 6 54. So which is equal to square root of 1444 is 38. Now I am going to discuss with you 6th question. If 3x plus 2 whole square minus 124 equal to 200 minus x plus 2 whole square, then find the x value they said. So now I am transposing this x plus 2 whole square is left side, you can transpose. This 124 you can transpose right side. It becomes 3 of x plus 2 whole square plus x plus 2 whole square equal to 200 plus 124. So now 3x plus 2 whole square, x plus 2 whole square. So in the addition, we can do addition, it becomes 4x plus 2 whole square. So which is equal to 200 plus 124, 324. Now x plus 2 whole square, this 4 you can transpose right side. X plus 2 whole square equal to 324 by 4. 4 ones are 4 8s are 4 ones are 481s are. X plus 2 whole square equal to 81. Then here I am writing x plus 2 whole square equal to 81. 81 can I write 9 square? If the both side powers are same, the bases are equal. That is x plus 2 equal to, we can write 9. X is equal to 9 minus 2. Then x is equal to 7. Okay. This is the process. Okay. Now I am going to discuss with you objective questions, means 7th question in that. Which of the following is not a perfect square? They said. Okay, if the number, we know that is, if the number ends with 2, 3, 7, 8, it's never be a perfect square. So which of the number? Your option 2 is ends with 7, it's never be a perfect square. So the required answer is option 2. Okay, next, 8th question. The smallest number by which 6480 should be divided so that the quotient is a perfect square. So 6480 is not a perfect square. By which number it is divided, then it is a perfect square they are asking. So now just you can do, in the division case, which method we need to follow? Prime factorization. Yes. So 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 4s are 0. Next 2 16s are 2 20s are. Next 2 8s are 2 10s are. Next 2 4s are 2 405s are. 5 81s, 3 27s, 3 9s, 3 3s. So now write that in the product form: 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So in a perfect square, the prime factorization of the perfect square, the factors are in the pairs. So here just to check all the factors are in the pairs or not. So these two as pair, these two as pair. So these two as pair, these two as pair. So 5 is alone we have, extra we have. So if you eliminate, means if you divide with 5, so this 5 becomes eliminated. Yes. So if you divide the given number with 5, unpaired number what we have? 5. So if you eliminate the means that remaining number becomes a perfect square. So therefore if you divide with 5, then it becomes a perfect square. What is the correct option? Option 1 is the correct option for that. Next, 9th question. What is the least number must to be added to 631 to make a perfect square? So must to be added case here. For 631 we need to do addition case. Addition case means we need to do long division. So what is the nearest square? 4. 2 2s are 4 and 2 2 31. So 2 plus 2 it becomes 4. Here 1 digit will come. So 445 5s are, so 5 5s are 25, 20 22. So next 46 into 6. 6 6 are 36, 3. 6 4s are 24, 27. So next in the addition case we have to take very next greater multiple, that is 276. So subtract 276 minus 231, 5 4. So 45. So therefore if you add 45 to the 631, it becomes a perfect square. Which is the correct option for us? Option 4 is the correct option. Question number 10, see children. The least perfect square number divisible by 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 is. Okay. The least divisible number means we need to find the LCM for 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. So LCM of for these numbers is, okay, so 3 ones, 4 as this, 5 as this, 3 twos, 8. Next 2 table. 1 as this, 2 twos, 5, 1, 2 fours. Next 2 table. 1 as this two ones, 5 as it is, 1 as it is, 2 twos. Now multiply that product. So 3 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 2. So here 5 twos are 10, 10 twos are 20, 20 twos are 40, 40 into 3, 120. So the nearest, then already this type of question we did in the 11th question. The multiple of 120, multiple of 120, what is the nearest perfect square? 3600 only is the nearest multiple of, the nearest multiple of 120, which is a perfect square. Okay, this is only correct option for that. Okay, option 10 is the correct option for that. Why? Because we are taking 3600 means if you write the multiples of 120, you can see in the 11th question very you will understand there. So if you write multiples of 120 up to here, no perfect square we will get. Okay, this is only the nearest perfect square of multiple of 120. So if this is 3600 is divisible by these all 5 numbers. Okay, next question. Now I am going to discuss with you 11th question. A number is multiplied by half of itself and 32 added to the product. The final result is 130. Then find the original number is asking. A number is multiplied by half of itself. A number we don't know. Let the number be x. Let the number be, required number be x. Let the number be, you can consider x. So half of the itself, half of the number, half of the x, half of the x, that is equal to x by 2. Half of the number, what is that number? X. Half of the x equal to x by 2. So this x is multiplied by with x by 2. So then it is, and added 32. So x is multiplied with x by 2 and added 32, and is this added to the product. This 32 is added to this product, and the final result is equal to 130. According to the condition, this is the equation. Okay. So x into x, x squared by 2. This 132 you can transpose right side, that is equal to 130 minus 32. 130 minus 32 how much? 8. 98. X square by 2 equal to 98. X square equal to 98 into 2. 98 into 2 is how much? 196. So x square equal to 196. Then x is equal to square root of 196. That is nothing but a 14. So therefore the original number is how much? Therefore the original number is 14. The original number is how much? 14. Now I am going to discuss with you 12th question, the very very important question and confusionable question. Okay, listen properly, you will get very easily that. Okay, so before going to discuss that sum, so I am just generally I am going to say one example. Suppose in a classroom we have 10 rows we have. In a classroom how many rows we have? 10 rows we have. In each row there are 5 members are there. In each row how many students are there? 5 students are there. So total strength of the class equal to the number of rows into the number of students in each row. Yes or no? So if you, that is 10 rows and each row 5 students. So 5 into 10 means the total strength is equal to 50 students we can say. Okay. Generally here also in the 12th question also what is it? There are a certain number of trees in a garden. In a garden some trees are there. Okay. So the number of trees in each row is, in each row some trees we have. Okay. So the trees are equal to, okay, 18 times to the number of rows. So we have in that garden also some rows will be there. Yes, that in each row the number of trees is equal to the 18 times to the number of rows. Okay. Suppose if the rows are 10 rows are there means in each row the number of trees is equal to 18 times of 10. How many rows we have? Suppose 10 rows. How many trees in each row? That is 18 times 18 into 10, which is equal to 180. Like that. Suppose if the number of rows are x, in the number of trees in each row is 18x trees. Then can you say the total number of trees in a garden? So that is number of rows into the number of trees in each row. Yes, that is x into 18x. The total number of trees in a garden equal to x into 18x. I think you got. Okay. So we don't know the number of rows in a garden. So just you can assume that let the number of rows be x. Then number of trees in each row equal to the number of trees in each row equal to, okay, 18 times to the number of rows. 18 times of x, 18x. Okay. Then the total number of trees in a garden equal to is given a fixed number, 26,80,050 is given. 26,68,050 trees are there. Okay. So total number of trees, how you are getting? So the number of rows into the number of rows into the number of trees in each row. The number of trees in each row. So that is equal to, we will get total number of trees. The total number of trees they given. So number of rows is how much? X into number of trees in each row, 18x, equal to 26,68,050 trees. 18x into 18x, 18x square equal to 26,68,050 will come. So x square equal to, that is 26,68,050 by 18. And right side by 18 will come. So 18 ones are 18. If you do the cancellation, you will get 1,48,225. So x square equal to how much? 1,48,225. Then x is equal to square root of 1,48,225. So square root of this number, how we are going to find? By using the long division, it is very easy to find. So 1,48,225. So make the pairs for every 3 numbers. Every pair you can, every 2 numbers you can make a bar. So okay, 14 we have. Nearest square is 9. 3 3s are 9, and here 5, 82. So we can add these 3 here. So 6. Okay, into 8 you can do. So 68 into 8 8s are 64, and 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 6, 54. Okay, next borrow it, subtract this. 12 minus 4, 8. 7 minus 3. Next 25. Next what we have? 25. Next 8 you can add here. So 8 plus 8, 16. So 1, 76. 76 into 5 you can do. So now this 3,825 we will get. So the square root of 1,48,225 is 385. Okay. So what is x value here? X is what we assumed, number of rows. So therefore the number of rows equal to number of rows in a garden equal to, how many rows we have? 385 rows we have. So how many number of trees how we are going to find? Number of trees is nothing but a, number of trees in each row is nothing but a 18 into x. 18x na? 18 into 385. Multiply 385 into 18. So 18 5s are 90. 9 carry. 18 8s are 144. 144 9. 153. 15. 18 3s are 54. 54 plus 15. 54 plus 15, that is equal to 69. 6,930 trees are in each row. 6,330 trees in each row, and the number of rows are 3,805. 385 are the number of rows. Okay. Now I am going to discuss with you 13th question. They given to us. The 13th question is, in a colony there are as many residents in each apartment as there are half of the number of apartments. Okay. So there are, how many number of residents are there means, okay. So then each apartment, the half of the number of apartments. So the number of residents in each apartment is equal to the half of the total number of apartments. Okay. Suppose if there are 100 apartments is there means in one apartment how many residents are there means half of the total number of the number of residents in each row equal to half of the total number of residents. So half of the 100 is 50. In each apartment how many residents will be there? 50 residents. Okay, like that. Suppose if there is 200 apartments means there in each apartment how many residents will be there? 100, like that. We don't know the number of apartments, and in each apartment how many residents also we don't know. Okay, so that what we need to assume the relation between them given. Half of the number of residents in each apartment is equal to the half of the total number of apartments. That clue only is given. And the total number of residents in all apartments is given 12,800 they given. Okay, so first we don't know the number of apartments. Yes, so let the number of apartments are, let the number of apartments equal to number of apartments equal to the number of apartments B, you can consider X. Then the number of residents in each apartment equal to number of residents in each row equal to X by 2 numbers, X by 2. Okay, then total number of residents in all apartments equal to total number of residents in all apartments equal to how much they given? 12,800. So how we are getting that all total number of residents in all apartments, that is number of apartments into in each row, the number of residents in each apartment. Suppose there are 100 apartments are there, children. In each apartment how many families will be? 50. So then total number of families in these all 100 apartments will be, that is 100 into 50. Yes or no? There are 100 apartments we have. Okay, so he is given the relationship between the number of apartments and the number of residents in each apartment. Okay, half of the number of residents in each apartment equal to half of the total apartments. Total apartments how many we have? 100. So half of the in each apartment how many residents will be? Means 100 by 2, that is 50. So in each apartment how many residents are there? 50 residents are there. So in total number of in 100 apartments total number of residents equal to 100 into 50. Yes, like that. That number of apartments into number of residents in each apartment. So that is equal to 12,800. So number of apartments how many we have? X into the number of residents in each apartment equal to X by 2, which is equal to 12,800. So X into X square by 2 equal to 12,800. So X square equal to 12,800 into 2, that is equal to 25,600 will come. So then X is equal to square root of 25,600. Then X is the square root of this we can write as 160 square. Okay, 25,600 we can write as 160 whole square, square root cancel. Then X is equal to how much? 160. So X is what? The number of apartments. Therefore, number of apartments how many we have? Number of apartments equal to 160. Number of residents in each apartment equal to, that is 160 by 2, which is equal to 80. Okay, so what they said in the question that if they donate 3 rupees per month on average, then the total amount collected from the each apartment. So in a one family donating 3 rupees. In each apartment, how many residents? 80 residents are there. So 80 residents means one resident can donate 3 rupees. Then the total amount can be collected equal to, so in each resident will give 3 rupees donating. So the total number of residents, how many in each apartment? 80. So 80 into 3, 340 rupees. 240 rupees they will collect. Okay, which is the correct option we have there? Option 2 is the correct option. Next question. Now I am going to discuss 14th question. If area of a circle equal to 1386 square meters, then the diameter of the circle. So area is given, we need to find the diameter of the circle. So what is the area of the circle formula? If the radius of the circle is r, okay, so then area of the circle, that is pi r square equal to 1086 meters square. Okay, pi value is how much? 22 by 7 into r square equal to 1386 meters square. So r square equal to 1386 into 7 by 22. So 11, you can cancel in the 11 table. 11 2s are 11 1s are 11, 2 8, 11 2s are 22, 6, 11 6 are 26. Next again 2 table, 2 6 are 2 3s are. So r square equal to 63 into 7. So this 63 I am writing prime factorization, 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63 into 7 as this. So r square is equal to, we can write every pair we have. Then r is equal to 3 into 7 we can write. So r is equal to 21. Radius of the circle is how much? 21 meters. Just you can do the prime factorization. 63 prime factorization, 3 into 3 into 7. Yes, so already we have one more 7. So square, 50 square having in the same number of pairs. Okay, here we have pair, here we have pair. From this we can take one number, from this you can take one number. 3 7s are 21. So then r is equal to 21. But what he asked in the question, diameter he asked. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius, that is 2 into 21, which is nothing but a 42 meters. Okay, so this is the 14th question. Next 15th question. The least number by which 216 must be divided to make the result a perfect square. So 216 we have. So to make, by which number if you divide 216, it becomes a perfect square, they are saying. So now we need to do, so divide means we need to do prime factorization. So 2 1s are, 2 108s are, 2 54s are, 2 27s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are. So write the pair numbers. So 2 into 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 into 3. So pairs. So here this is one pair, 2 is unpaired number. Here this is one pair, 3 is unpaired. So unpaired numbers product is how much? 2 into 3, 6. If we divide, if the 216 is divided by 6, then it is the number obtained is perfect square. Okay. So therefore, if you divide with 6, divide 216 with 6, then it becomes a perfect square. Then it becomes a perfect square. Okay. Here one, because here one number, we have unpaired. So we can multiply and do the terms. Next question. Question number 16. The least number to be subtracted from 16,800. So subtracted case. So we should use long division. Okay. So now that is 16,000. So here these two. So nearest one only. Okay. So now nearest square to the one itself, and this one adding to here, it becomes 2. Here one digit will come, 68 you can draw, into 3 into 3 into 3. So 23 into 3, 69 will come. So into 2 you can take 44, you can take here 4, and 2 and draw down 2 zeros. So in the subtracted case only this is, and we can add 2 here. So 2 4. Okay, so 2400 into 9 into 9. So you can take 2049 into 9. 9 9s are 81. 9 4s are 36. 36 4 44. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 4. 18 plus 4 22. So 2241. So if you subtract now, so here 10 minus 1 9, 9 minus 4 5, and here 3 minus 2 1. So 159. What is the required number? Okay, so if you subtract 159 from the given number, so it becomes a perfect square. So what is the correct option? 159. Second option is the correct option for that. Now I am going to discuss with you 17th question is that if square root of x plus 144 by 144 equal to 13 by 12, then find the value of x is asking. So just you can write, so squaring on both sides you can do. Squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides if you do means, so what will happen? So squaring on both sides means x plus 144 by 144 whole square equal to 13 by 12 whole square. So square root cancel. X plus 144 by 144 equal to, that is 169 by 144. So 144 we can cancel. Next number, x plus 144 equal to 169. So x is equal to 169 minus 144, which is equal to 25. What is the x value? X value is the 25. Yes. So next question, 18th question. Okay, 18th question, we are 18th question. Which of the following are true, they said. Okay, so 18th question we have option A. So root 49 plus root 169 equal to 20, they said. Whether it is true or false. Root 49 value is how much? 7. Root 169 value is 13. 7 plus 13 equal to 20. It is a true. Next, second option. Root 36 into root 16 equal to 24, they said. Root 36 value is 6 into root 16 value is 4. 6 4s are 24. Yes, it is also true. Next, root 144 divided by root 36. Root 144 is 12 divided by root 36 is 6. 12 by 6 is equal to 2. So this option is false. Next, 12 D. So root 121 is 11 minus root 81 is 9. 11 minus 9 is 2. So what is the fourth option? Fourth option also wrong. Option A and option B are the true for that. Okay. Next. So now I am going to discuss with you 19th question. For what value of k, the statement k by 15 into k by 135 equal to 1. So now you can multiply numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So k into k equal by 15 into 135 equal to 1. So this 15 into 135 if you send right side. So k into k equal to 1 into 15 into 135. 1 into any number is that number itself. I am writing these two only. So 15 into 135. So k into k squared, okay, equal to 15 into 135. 135 I am writing as 15 into 9. Okay. So 15 into 9 I am writing as into 3, which is equal to 15 square into 3 square. So k square equal to 15 square into 3 square. Then k square. When we are multiplying same power number, we can multiply the bases. 15 into 3 whole square. If the both side powers are same, the bases are equal. K equal to 15 into 3, that is nothing but a 45. K equal to 45 is the correct answer for that. Now I am going to discuss with you question number 20. So first the given numbers into without decimal. We can write in the without decimal point. 3136 by 100. This we can write as square root of 676 by 100. Okay. So now we need to, this we can write as furtherly square root of 3036 by square root of 100. This we can write as square root of 676 by square root of 100. Yes. So now square root of 3136 is, so if you want to find by using long division you can find. So you can make a bar, and nearest square is 25. 5 5 is 25 and 6 draw down 36. So now 5 plus 5 10. Here one digit will come, here one digit will come. Into 6 into 6. 636 will come. So square root of 3136 is 56. 56 by square root of 100 is 10 plus square root of 676 is 26 by square root of 100 is 10. So 56 by 10 we can write as 5.6 and 26 by 10 we can write as 2.6. If you add these two, 5.6 plus 2.6, so 12 plus, so 8.2. What is the correct answer? 8.2 is the correct answer for that. In this video I discussed with you objective questions means. Okay. Next video I will prepare for advanced questions and additional package question. So please watch the videos and subscribe the channel. Share the videos to your friends. Okay. Thank you. Don't forget, everyone must be watch.